Hi, today I'm gonna go to the ramen in Reggio Emilia, Italy. This is the one of the ramen that they are recommend in many websites. The environment is nice, warm, and in Japanese style. And there are also vegetarian, vegan option. You can choose whatever you like. For me, it's delicious ramen, fresh ingredients, and typical Japanese style environment. And this is what I order. That is the ramen with the chashu. The chashu meat is so good. The taste is very good, and the ramen is nice. This is made from handmade. For the price, one ramen is around 15 euros. And after finish this, I pay for 18 euros. If you come here for Reggio Emilia, you can try for Ramengo. It's nice.